in this moment of profound sorrow and anguish, we come together to offer our prayers and thoughts to the innocent lives affected by the recent conflict between Israel and Hamas. Join in this collective prayer for peace, healing, and comfort. Dear source of peace, love, and compassion, we pray for the victims of this conflict, those who have lost their lives, those who are injured, and those who are grieving the loss of loved ones. May your divine grace be upon them, offering solace and strength during this trying time. We also pray for the countless families, children, and individuals who are now displaced, their lives upended by the violence resulting from this conflict. May they find refuge, safety, and the support they need to rebuild their lives. Let us also extend our gratitude to the brave humanitarian workers, aid organizations, and volunteers who are working tirelessly to provide relief and assistance to those affected. Bless their efforts and multiply their resources to reach those in need. As we offer our prayers, let us also hold in our hearts the hope for a lasting peace in the region. May the leaders and people involved find the wisdom, compassion, and courage to seek peaceful solutions and dialogue. Let our collective intention for peace and healing resonate across borders and boundaries. May it touch the hearts of all who are suffering and inspire change. In unity and love, we send our prayers to the innocent victims of this conflict. May they find solace, healing, and the strength to rebuild their lives.